Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. In this lesson we are going to talk about volume of prism. So doesn't matter what shape you have, there is a general formula for volume. For three-dimensional shapes we can use volume. By the way, there is no volume of two-dimension shape. Okay, so volume is height of the base, h, height of the shape, times base area, and this represent volume. Alright, doesn't matter what you have, as long as you have a three-dimension shapes. This is going to be the formula for volume. Volume equals to height times base area every time. So let me show you how. Alright, now let's have a look at this question. So dimensions are given there. This one is 2, this one is 5, this one is 10. So what is the volume? As you see, this is a rectangular prism. So volume was height times base area. So now for this shape, this is height and this one is base, and as you see, the base is a rectangle. For the rectangle, area is this side times this. So that means my base area is going to be 10 times 5. 10 times 5 times height is 2. So just I need to multiply all those three numbers to each other. That will give me this time this 10 times 10, which is going to be 100 centimeter cube. Why centimeter cube? Because these numbers they are normally like this: 2 centimeter times 10 centimeter times 5 centimeter. So when you multiply this to each other, you will get 100, and centimeter times centimeter, centimeter square times centimeter is going to be centimeter cube. So because of this and this centimeter, that those units, the centimeter cube is coming. Okay, that's going to be my answer, 100 centimeter cube. Alright, in this question we have a square based prism. Dimensions are given 20 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So for this one, the area is square, and the area of square is this time this, which is going to be square of one side, 4 square. So volume equals to height times base area. Height is 20 centimeter. 20 times base area, what we said, 4 square is coming from there. 4 times 4, that will be, let me write 4 times 4, which is 4 square. So that will give me 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 20 is going to be 320. My unit is centimeter cube. That's going to be your final answer. Alright, now let's have a look. Volume of cube. So cube is a special shape. So when you have all sides the same, we call this shape, this prism, as cube. So what was the formula? Height times base area. Height times base area. So base is 5 times 5. So write 5 times 5. And height is 5. And I see 5 times 5 times 5, which is 5 cube. That means when you have just one side for a cube, you don't need to know the other side, because the other sides are going to be the same. And you can find volume as one side of a cube of one side. So for this question, 5 cube. That will give me 125 centimeter cube. That's going to be your final answer. Alright, now we have a triangular prism. For triangular prism, students are generally confusing the formula. So the formula, yes, it was height times base area of the shape. Alright, nothing is going to change from there. So height there for the prism is this. So that will be 30 times base area. The problem is coming from there generally. So the base area here is a triangle. For the triangle, the area is height times base over 2. Students are confusing the 2. So now height of the triangle is 3. Look, 3 times base of the triangle, this base of base, basically it will be this, which is 6 over 2. That's coming from the formula of area of triangle. So now I'm going to simplify this and this. That will be divided by 2, 1, divided by 2, 3. So I got 30 times 3 times 3. That will give me 30 times 3, which is going to be 90, times 3, which is going to be 270. My unit is millimeter cube will be for the volume. Alright, please don't confuse that. You divide them by 2 for the base area because of the triangle. This base is triangle. Alright.